Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Guider Zillion Concept. I'm 1K plus guider from Nigeria in MMM Global Community. Indeed, I want to say a very big thank you to all my audience, and also I want to share my letter of happiness. On the 29th of September, I requested to get help of the sum of 0.0809 BTC, and within 2 hours all the money was paid into my Bitcoin wallet. I want to tell everyone out there that MMM Global pays. MMM Global is real. Kindly join us if you have not joined us, and then provide help, and then at the end of 30 days you're going to get help. MMM Global is real. Long live MMM Global. And I want to also thank the support and the admin of this great community. I want to tell the people to keep it up, and that God will actually reward you people. I'm so happy to be part of this community. So kindly join us, and then also share your letter of happiness tomorrow. Thank you.